Kevin's setting up the ladder for me at the attic opening because we had to remove the bottom of the stairs when we added this doorway, because this was a huge opening. And it was a hallway bath with a bedroom, what we call the master. Well, we opened that doorway. If I can find the old pictures, I'll insert them. But that made this a master ensuite with 2 walk-in closets, because that's Kevin's walk-in closet and I have a big one in the bedroom. But I'm going up here to empty the attic out so I can get the floorboards. So my youngest son told me he doesn't want anything that's up here that I've saved. And my oldest son has already told me that too. I am quite sentimental about things. But you know what? I am ready to let things go. Let's see here. We have this is a plaque of my daddy's. Now how do I get rid of that? We are saving these so our grandkids can have something fun to play, and we'll put them out in the shed, and when we move them, they'll go in our shed wherever we move to, because they're just really great fun. Really great fun. I really need to take them camping and let people try when they get drunk, and oh, they don't get drunk, but when they have nothing to do. Hey! Hey! I don't know where he went. Oh wow, I forgot about these. Oh, what's this? Plastic in a bag. But this, y'all, I forgot about this. And I don't think he even knows about them. Let me get that thing adjusted. There. This is up here, and I cannot remember if I showed him. I think I put these up here for the day that my oldest son gets married, which he's not going to get married. Him and his girlfriend have been together a long time. So I need to give these to him. I went to a yard sale A really nice neighborhood. And these, his last name starts with an M. And look at the rim. Can you see how beautiful? I don't know that if you can see, but it's a set of 8. These are absolutely beautiful. I don't think that he knows about them. And it's his birthday week, so let's see. I don't have my glasses to read the name. That's just awesome fun. And Kevin has had to leave and go to the hardware store in the middle of projects to get shims. Look up here in the attic. We got a whole bundle of shims. He's not going to believe it. I think that's funny. So here is a sack of something. Let's see. This is a crocheted Kleenex box cover. Do you need that? For some reason, I couldn't throw it away. Here's a doily. I think that goes in a Coleman stove or something. Oh no, that's a lawn. That goes on a lawnmower maybe? I think I got lawnmower parts in here. And you know what? I'm sure, you know what? This may be a car part. But I mean, it's up here. Who knows? How old is a blue Walmart bag? He's going to have to look at that now because, Lord, I can see it now 10 years from now. I had a wire, round wire thing. I make fun of him, but, you know, we've been together a long time. I can make fun of him. Just like he can make fun of me. Oh. Now let's see what else I can find. I'm trying to get this. This is a Rival electric ice cream maker. Oh my God, it's filthy. What is that? Goo melted from the Rival sticker, I guess. I don't know. I'll take it down and clean it up and plug it in and see if it still works. The last time I used it, it made wonderful ice cream. What am I hearing? Wow, Kevin. Wow. Look here. You haven't even done it. Here. What, that doesn't go in there. Did you make this the O'Rourke family? The O'Rourke family? Oh, wow. Years ago, we went to the dump, and they had dumped an estate sale out there, and I saw a plastic bag with a white Cowboys hat in it, and I run over and grabbed it, and it's signed by Jerry Jones. Look at it. It got out of the bag. Look. It's ruined. So we'll keep the O'Rourke family sign. See, here we have baseball. Now, my son says he doesn't want any of this stuff, but no, we're going to keep it. Pictures and awards. And Kevin drew all of these. Look. At our job, he did all of the both sides of the teams. What is it? The national and
baseball,
Major League Baseball, and it's changed now. So many teams have changed, but he sat back and did all kind of covers by hand, and we had a notebook put together with all the baseball cards. All my clothes was made on this thing probably until I got to the 10th grade, and then she couldn't make my jeans, but she made my shirts probably until the 11th grade, and then I refused to wear homemade. How stupid was that? Y'all look how much flooring I have all the way over